What's up, YouTube? It's Sheldon, and today I am bringing you on a video of my fire alarm collection, so you guys can read system test. So yeah, this first one here is all of the pool suggestions that I have. Second one is horns and strobes, and the last one is detector. So yeah, let's get started with the first one here. Here I have three of these Firelight BT12 Ls, as you guys know, so yeah. The second is that I have a Firelight BT10 and converted to our pool suggestion. This recently had a monitor much wall on it, and it was a outlet, but as you can see, I cut that much wall off and converted it to out. So yeah. Next, I have my Firelight BT8. So yeah. Here we go. Next, I have my Edwards some 270-SP. Oh, wait here. So yeah. Next, I have a Edwards EST Sega 278B, I believe. If it's out take, so yeah. Yep, 278. So yeah, and it is the one with that came up. So yeah. Next, I have my CERBERUS PYROTRONICS MS501B, I believe, a reversible converted to conventional port suggestion. So yeah. And lastly, in the pool station mode, I have a Remington Single Incorporated RMS 1T Kia operated only bullet suggestion. So yeah. Let's move on to the horns and strobes now. Here I have a System Sensor Spartan Classic P241575 horn strobe. Yeah. Next to that, I have a Edward says EST, Genesis, code the hard search rope, and right next to that I have a simple 4904 9330 one on to alert smart sync remote search rope. Yep, next to that I have a real lock RSS 24 MCW. And then last week I have 3 of these real lock and assets. Although this is the only one that I have with a multi-container search rope. So yeah, now we're on to the 2 detectors that I have. I have 3 of these system sensor CO1224 3 carbon monoxide detectors. So yeah, and my system sensor I3 smoke detector. So yeah. Yeah, that's all of the alarms that I have. Although there are 2 alarms that I cannot use, and those are my Simplex 4G904 9331's Root Alert Smart Sync Remote Search Rope sent. So I cannot use this, so don't request it, since I don't have a Simplex panel or a smart sync cube. So yeah, and I am also cannot use the Harrington Signal Incorporated RMS warranty key operated only pools adjacent, so also don't request it, since I can't use it because I don't have a key for it. So yeah. And so you can request it if you want to, but the RSS view I will put. If you are going to request it, then I would put for that you also request the AMS or something else that has a hard to you will go along with it, since otherwise it's going to be a boring test. So yeah, that's all of a alarms that I have. Like I said, I cannot use those to an alarm, so don't request them. And if you are going to request the RSS, also request one of a horn search robe to go along with it unless you want to have a boring system test. So yeah, but make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell that's right next to it if you're new, and thanks for watching.